All right, well, I'm at the Bali Bird Park, heading back to the hotel after downtown Denpasar and Sandra Beach, and there's parrots all over the place here. Cost 350,000 rupees, and this is the Bali Bird Park. Those birds aren't part of the package. Oh, oh, air conditioning. Everywhere you go, it smells like incense. All right, let's see. Yeah, so that was I saw a guy in Kamloops with a macaw like that on his shoulder just recently. I like those. Nice colors. So there's apparently a place where they do paintings close to here too. So I thought I'd go through here and then go. He's waiting in the taxi for me, and then we'll go to that other place. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? Can you talk? Hey, you. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. It's a sculpture of a bird in the fountain. Huh. It's like a crane or a stork. And here's another guy. Hello. What's your name? Hey, you. What's your name? I don't think macaws talk a lot. I know they live a long time. Okay, now I just follow the path around here. Oh, there's another one. Can you talk? You're a colorful bird. Hello. I wonder if you get along good. Oh, you're scratching your neck. Bobby does that too. He closes his eyes when he does that. Oh, that massage, self-massage feels so good, huh? Huh. All right, let's see where we go.